Hello, sir. This is Kanti Muthuselvi from group number 375, and I'm going to explain in this video about types of burns and degrees of burns and the rules of nines for adults and children. First, the types of burns. It is usually four types like thermal burn, chemical burn, electrical, and radiation burns. Thermal burn is usually caused due to the exposure to a flame or a hot object. And chemical, it is caused due to the exposure to acid, alkali, or organic substances. Electrical burns is due to the result from the conversion of electrical energy into the heat, and radiation burns is due to the result from radiation energy being transferred to the body. So here in this picture we can see the thermal burns and chemical burns, and in the third picture it shows the electrical burns. So next is the electrical burns. It's a picture oral burn from biting on electrical cable, and a lineman burnt while attending to electrical cable, and high voltage electrical burn. There is a first degree burn, second degree, third degree burn. In the first degree burn, it is usually a mild compared to other burns, and it is usually resulting in pain and reddening of the outer layer of epidermis. The second degree burns, it is usually partial thickness burns which affects the epidermis and lower layer of the skin and cause pain, redness, swelling and blistering. In the third degree burns, it is usually full thickness burns which causes white or black and charred skin. That may be a numb. So it is a picture of second degree burns, and it is characterized by red or molten skin often. And it's a third degree burn which is characterized by charred skin and full thickness burn. It's a picture of third degree burn, and also the fourth degree burn is shown here. According to the rules of nines, in the adults we can calculate the surface area of burns. Like head is 9% both the front and back is 18%. In the left arm it is 9% and perineum 1%. Left leg and right leg is 18% and right arm corresponds to 9%. In the child, usually the head and neck is 18% and back 18%, chest is of 18% and both left and right is of 9% and right leg and left leg is of 13.5%. So management treatment, it is usually first aid. First of all, we have to stop the burning process and take away the person away from the fire, and we have to pour cool water on the burnt area. If it is severe, we should not put the cold water since it can lead to shock, and also we have to seek emergency medical help. And also weaken indications of admission in burns like moderate and severe burns, airway burns of any type like that. And also the fluid resuscitation, we can use it for treatment. Generally, we can use the Parkland's formulate. It is total fluid replacement in 24 hours is equal to 4 ml per percentage of burn per kg body weight. Half of the volume is given in first 8 hours and the rest is given in the next 16 hours. So this is usually a treatment done to the burnt person.